Every battery begins far from the city, where minerals are pulled from the earth. This liquid carries the energy of tomorrow. Time and heat do what machines cannot.
Purity begins to take shape.
The raw material is secured. Containment is critical at every step. Only controlled chemistry moves forward. Extraction meets logistics. The journey to refinement begins. Raw materials move closer to precision.
Control replaces chance.
The raw state ends here.
What was mined will now be engineered. Movement begins under strict control.
Nothing leaves unchecked.
Distance is part of the process.
Stability is constantly measured.
Access is tightly controlled. Mass confirms integrity.
Dock 4 and 7 assigned for immediate unloading. Confirmation requested.
Flow is choreographed.